Welcome to the Calm Mind and Healthy Body channel trailer. I started this channel to investigate and learn about different health topics, initially focusing on most of the ones related to a range of the population around my age. Still, also going a few years over to cover my parents' possible and current health issues, also going backward on the age limits, to learn and assist my young teenagers and other people their age. As a whole, we will cover or at least try a range of health topics. Here, we prioritize the importance of mental and physical well-being for a balanced lifestyle. Our content is designed to help you achieve wellness by providing valuable insights and practical tips. We cover various mental health and physical fitness topics, from mindfulness practices to workout routines. Join us on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Dive into a world of relaxation and mental clarity with our mindful practices. Discover meditation techniques, breathing exercises, and mindfulness activities to incorporate into your daily routine. These practices can enhance focus, reduce anxiety, and improve overall well-being. We encourage you to explore different techniques and find what resonates best with you. Start your journey towards a calmer mind and a healthier body today. Embrace the significance of physical fitness and healthy lifestyle choices for overall well-being. Explore exercise routines, nutrition tips, and the advantages of staying active. Receive practical advice on maintaining a healthy body through regular physical activity and a balanced diet. Let us inspire you to prioritize your physical health and make positive changes in your lifestyle for a happier, healthier you. Discover the power of community support and social connections in enhancing mental health and physical wellness. Learn about the benefits of engaging with like-minded individuals, joining fitness groups, or seeking professional help when necessary. Hear personal stories and testimonials showcasing the positive impact of community involvement on overall well-being. Join us in fostering connections, sharing experiences, and building a supportive, holistic health and happiness network. Please take action today by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who can benefit from it. Explore our diverse content on mental health, physical fitness, and overall wellness. Join us on this journey towards a calmer mind and a healthier body.